Okay, let's take a look at section 8.3. That's where we'll start with these videos. And let's look at some of these things. So we want to get parts of a string, so let's go ahead and do this fruit equals banana here. So we'll go here, and I guess I need to click in there. Fruit equals banana, singular in this case. Okay, so there we've entered that. And now suppose I want to look at the very first character. Well, the indexing starts at 0. And so if I want to say print fruit, and I use square brackets to do my index, and I say 0. So if I do this, then I get a B. Okay, and well, let's see, so print fruit. Now if B is 0, then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A should be at the 5 point there. And there's the fruit of 5. Now, they don't quite mention it yet in this section, but it is the case that actually you can use negative indexing in Python. And so if I say fruit of -1, what it does is it starts at the right hand side, and so fruit of -1 should also be an A. And we'll get the N here. Well, and for that matter then fruit of -6 should be B. So print fruit of -6. So you see the indexing going backwards, actually kind of does go from 1 to 6. Let's run that. And there's the B. But the forward indexing starts at 0, and typically we would use forward indexing. We can use the negative indexing, and sometimes it comes in very handy. Probably wouldn't be there if it didn't. But actually most languages don't have that sort of capability of negative indexing. So it's kind of cool that Python does. And now if I try to print say fruit, and I try to give it too big an index, so like 10, and you see we get an error, indexing error. It's out of range. So most of the time when you try to use indexes on things, if you're out of range, it'll give you this error. We will see on a couple of items when it comes to strings, actually it won't give you an error if you're using the correct method and so forth. Okay, so that's 8.3.